I put you down and then I forget to film, okay? I did 30 minutes on the treadmill after work today, and I had to cook because UPS and my meal delivery is irritating me. It didn't come in time and the food was bad. So tonight I cooked hoisin, sriracha, soy sauce chicken, and cabbage, seasoned cabbage. The chicken is gonna hit, and then the vegetables are just gonna be vegetables. I'm hungry. It's like almost, I think it's 9, if not 10 o'clock. No, 9:30. So I'm gonna eat this food now. Hey, y'all, so I just came back from the personal training. We did arm day today. And as much as it's so hard for me to always like lift this tripod, it's even harder for me today. I don't really have the energy to cook, but I'm not sure I want to eat the same thing for 3 meals in a row, so I think I'm gonna cook. First, I just kind of want to like do something for me, well, other than working out, obviously. But I just got a couple packages, so I'll unbox it for you. Let's start with the anticlimactic package. Alrighty. So, I am getting my hair done for my cousin's wedding. And usually I'm a bit on the safer side for like my hair. I usually do a one, I venture to 2, I venture to 1B, and then I'm toying with 2, and I've been slowly over the years trying to come out of my shell with color. This is kind of in my shell, but not at the same time. This is a 4/27/30 mix. I'm gonna do Senegalese twists, what I usually do with this, and I hope it's pretty. I'm a little scared because, like I said, outside my comfort zone. And I bought 5 packs, and I already have a 6-pack, but I have a big head, so yeah, you can't even see this. So that's the hair for the wedding. I have 2 dress options coming in, and I kind of have a backup one just in case I hate both of those. So hoping I don't hate those, and one of them works. One of them I can't send back, so I'll probably just wear it to something else, or like, it's a like simple slip dress, so I'll just put like something underneath and then wear it casually with like combat boots or something. My battery's dying, and I really hope I remember to charge this battery. Okay, let's be for real. I was just gonna cook salmon and vegetables and rice, or keep the rice until tomorrow because I wanted to put some beans, but then guess what I realized? The vegetable I want to cook is a little tricky. I want to cook the kabocha squash, but it's like so tough, and it's exerting a lot of energy. So I think I want to save that till tomorrow. And now I don't feel like eating chicken again, but I also don't want to go back out on the road for food. And you know, I just want to see how close Zaxby's is, but that doesn't mean that I'm getting Zaxby's. See, that's God right there, because the closest Zaxby's to me is 12 minutes away, and I don't feel like driving that far. Like, where if I wanted to eat out, it would need to be like very close, like 5 minutes. I know I should just eat the food I have. I guess I will do, you know what? Okay, all right. I will eat the chicken and the vegetables, but then I'll give myself a treat. Maybe ice cream? No. Maybe one of my snacks. I don't know. Lord, give me the strength tomorrow to cook the salmon for dinner, because I'm gonna have to eat this for lunch too. I literally ate this for dinner last night, lunch today, dinner today, and I have to eat it for lunch tomorrow. I'm the type, like, I can eat the same thing all week, but I usually alternate for lunch and dinner, so. Oh, you know what? I think I'll make myself either I'll drink a rum cream over ice, or I'll make myself a cocktail. I'm feeling sweet, probably, because, actually, I won't do anything sweet because I'm about to eat this, and this is sweet and spicy.
There must be something better features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
I randomly am going to the Blackpink concert, another one again. My best friend and her brother were going. He ordered a bunch of tickets. They didn't have anyone for the rest, so why not? I had a SHEIN gift card, so I thought I would use it to buy something for the concert and get a couple other things for myself. I'm getting scared from the first item that this will not be successful. I decided to take a shower and do this haul, try on haul unboxing for y'all because I wanted to try on the clothes and see. So let's get started, shall we? I like this bomber. It's a little different than I had anticipated, but it is a size too big, which that was shocking. Sometimes with SHEIN, you don't know what you're gonna get. So I want to size down. This is supposed to be a 12, but I need the large, which would be a 10. I think it's cute. It's just a little too frumpy. It's like not flattering oversized, just freaking oversized. So then we have this blazer. It's a lot more vibrant than I expected in person, and like it's pretty, but and I like the buttons. I hate when the buttons are the same color. I like when they're this like kind of tortoise like button. But this is a one button blazer, which I don't think I usually do that. And then it's in it has such a weird placement. It's like not in the middle, it's like closer to the top. So yeah, this is a no. And I feel frumpy. My goal now is like, I'm going to send stuff back if I don't love it because I want to feel confident and comfortable in my clothes. So doesn't necessarily have to feel comfortable, but I need to feel like I look good. You know, sometimes, you know, there's like the beauty is pain. Okay, this one is not what I expected. For some reason I expected like this cardigan my best friend got at H&M was kind of like a similar print, and I sort of wanted to match her. And I honestly fell in love with this cardigan. I thought it was gonna be like the cutest thing ever, but it smells. It doesn't look good like up close. It kind of looks like it's already pilling, or like the imperfections of like these white striped area. And did I mention it smells? Yeah. Y'all, I fell in love with these pants. It's kind of from one of their third-party vendors. They're so light, so flattering, like exactly what I was looking for, the right amount of like wide leg. They have pockets, but they're too small. And like honestly, with my goal and like kind of how I desire to look, I don't think I would ever fit in these pants. Like I want to be toned, but I don't want to be like crazy skinny or anything. And I don't think I would fit in these pants. And you know what, I wish they put a little like elastic back here, because these are perfect. Like if you wear a size 10 or 8 in jeans, in pants, I would suggest getting these pants. Like I'm gonna go back on the website and pretend that they have a bigger size. I mean, honestly, it says extra large. I don't know why they put it like that. It says extra large, but I should have known better. I'm gonna go look. These are really good. Like if these actually fit me, like if they had a size 0X or 14, because these run small. I just noticed these are supposed to be 12 and they're supposed to fit me. So anyways, yeah, I hope that they bring those pants in plus size because they are really nice. Like it's exactly what I was looking for, to be on that trend. Okay, I'm gonna make this fast because I have like no memory left and I really need to delete some content. So I did not like this corset top as I was hoping I did, so I need to go back to the drawing board with a top or whatever for the Blackpink concert. For some reason, I was hoping that like if I size up, the cups will get bigger, but they did not. So This is cute if you have smaller boobs. I got this clear purse for when I go to concerts or games. I hate this strap, but I have an adjustable strap that I can use instead, so I will do that because this one stops right here on my boobs. Love, love, love this sweater. Definitely probably wearing it to Christmas. It fits perfectly, it's cozy, the quality is nice, the color is beautiful. The sleeves are big and poofy. These pants, I got them before everything else, and like I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but the more I looked at them, the more I didn't feel good, and I was second guessing even with other tops. So I'm going to get rid of these. They're cute though, they're like good quality, the reviews were nice, and I think they were being true to it. But yeah, that's it for my like rando try on haul that was not planned at all. I wasn't intending to do one, but yeah, see you later.